This week we continued iterating on prototypes for our shooter and A2.
We also finished up an initial design in on-chip.
We cut parts to continue building our prototype robot.
We also continued to mess with primer geometry.
Later today we will do testing with our prototype robot to determine what needs to be changed around.